Thinking of launching a business in California? Setting up an LLC might be your best move, and it's easier than you think. Today, I'll walk you through the 6 essential steps to get your LLC up and running smoothly, saving you time and money along the way. Whether you're doing it yourself or working with a service like filingfox.com, these tips will keep you on track. Step 1. Picking a name. Your business name isn't just branding. It can affect your filing. It needs to follow specific rules. End with Limited Liability Company, LLC, Limited Co., or LC. Avoid names suggesting government agencies, banks, or other professions that require special licenses. Also, steer clear of names that might sound like existing businesses. Checking name availability is simple. Use the California Secretary of State's online portal for free. If your choice is free, you can reserve it for 60 days through the same site. This preserves your intended name as you prepare your paperwork. Step 2. Choosing a registered agent. You must designate a registered agent in California, either a person or business entity, to receive legal and government notices on your LLC's behalf. This information goes on your articles of organization, making it public. You can be your own agent or pick someone you trust, like a friend or family member. Many prefer using a registered agent service, which costs around $10 a month. These services, including filingfox.com, often scan and digitize your mail, protecting your privacy and easing paperwork. Over 65% of filers opt for these services for peace of mind and convenience. Step 3. Filing your articles of organization. This is the official step that registers your LLC with the state. You'll fill out Form LLC-1 with details like your LLC's name, address, the registered agent's info, and management structure. You can file online via the California Secretary of State's website, or mail, or deliver the completed form in person to Sacramento or LA. The fee is $70 and approval typically takes about 7 business days. If your LLC is from another state and you want to operate in California, you'll need to file Form LLC-5 instead. Step 4. Creating an operating agreement. While not legally required in California, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended. It spells out ownership, member rights, profit sharing, and procedures, especially vital for resolving disputes or opening bank accounts. You can find free templates, and having this document ready can streamline your business dealings, making operations smoother down the line. Step 5. Getting an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It's free and essential for tax purposes, issuing employees paychecks, and opening a business bank account. Visit the IRS website and apply online, ensuring you only do so through the official site to avoid scams. Filing for an EIN is quick, simple, and cost-free. Step 6. Filing the beneficial ownership report. Starting in January 2024, LLC owners must submit a beneficial ownership information report to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN. This report helps identify the real owners of your LLC. It's free to file, but failing to submit on time can lead to fines of $500 daily. You can file online or by mail. Details are available in the guides we link below. Post-formation essentials. After setting up, remember to file your initial statement of information within 90 days. Then, every 2 years, file an update using Form LLC-12. The fee is just $20, but neglecting this can result in hefty penalties, including a $250 fine or even risking your LLC's ability to operate. Additionally, California LLCs owe an annual minimum franchise tax of $800, with extra fees if you surpass certain revenue thresholds. Keep personal and business finances separate to maintain your limited liability status. Also, consider appropriate insurance coverage. Many providers, including filingfox.com partners, can guide you through necessary policies to shield against unforeseen risks. Wrapping up. Forming an LLC in California doesn't have to be complicated. Proper preparation and understanding your responsibilities will keep your business legally compliant and financially healthy. If questions come up, or if you'd like assistance, reaching out to experts at filingfox.com can help ensure everything is handled correctly without the stress. All resources mentioned are available in the description. Exploring our channel and website will equip you with everything to start your journey confidently. For direct support or questions, email us at info@filingfox.com. Here's to your business success.